Okay, in this video, we are going to test our register nodes bulk endpoint to make sure that it works properly and to understand it a little bit better. So to test this endpoint, we are going to head over to Postman. And we want to hit the endpoint localhost 3001/register nodes bulk. Now with this endpoint, we expect to receive some data, which is the all network nodes array. So let's send this data in. So inside of the body, we want raw selected, and we want our text in JSON format. So let's make the body now, and on this body, we're going to have a property called all network nodes. So I'll copy that and paste it here, all network nodes. And this is going to be an array. Cool. Now inside of this array is going to be the URLs of all of the nodes that are already present in our blockchain network. So for this example, we can just fill up this array with some URLs of the nodes that we're running. So let's come up here and we'll copy this text to make it easier. And we'll place that here. And we'll paste it again here. And we'll do one more here. Cool. Now make sure that you don't put a comma after your last element, or you might get some errors. That could be pretty frustrating. And let's change this to our node running on 3002, 3003, and 3004. Cool. Now, when we run this request, what should happen is we should register all three of these URLs with our node that's running on localhost 3001. Let's see if that works. Cool. So it looks like it works. We got bulk registration successful returned. And if we head over to the browser, we can double check to make sure that it worked. So on our first tab on localhost 3001/blockchain, when we refresh this, we should expect to see the three URLs that we just added inside of our network nodes array, because they should have been bulk registered. Let's see what we got. Cool. So it did work. We registered all three of these URLs as a bulk registration. Perfect. And let's do one more example. This time, let's register just the two nodes that are running on ports 3002 and 3004. Let's register these two nodes with our node that's running on port 3005. And let's send it. Cool. So it looks like that worked. And to check, we can head over to our browser and go to our node that's running on localhost 3005. And inside of our network nodes array, we should have just bulk registered localhost 3002 and localhost 3004. Let's check. Perfect. We just bulk registered these two node URLs. So it looks like our register nodes bulk endpoint is working just as it should. In the next video, we will test all three of the endpoints that we just created to make sure that they work properly together and to really get a better understanding of what exactly they are doing and how they are working together. I'll see you in the next video.